What's up, everybody? As you already know, on this episode of What's in the Box, we're going to be looking at the INJORA IR40 truck body shell with tube cage for the 118 TRX4M. This kit is going to work if you have the Defender or the Bronco, it says. So without further ado, let's get to the video. Alright, so in the mail, you will be getting this box from INJORA. It'll just be labeled on the color that you get. Obviously, I got the green one. All right, so let's crack this puppy open. All you got to do is pull up the box, open it over. Stickers. You got a manual that is going to have 5 steps, and you should be done to complete the actual vehicle. All right, the assembly. Then you have the actual body itself. It's not that difficult to get it out. Very strong foam on the packaging. So this is the top view of the actual frame, driver. And then we're going to go over here to the rear. This is the passenger side, the front view, and then underneath. All right. Let's see what else we got in the packaging. We got a baggie here with a light kit, so let's crack this open. So we got the wiring harness with the 4 bulbs, front and rear, 5mm, 3mm in the back, and then you got your standard cable for power. All right, that plugs into your receivers or whatever. Looks like we have a front bumper or a rear bumper. We'll find out when we put the kit together. Some other piece here, not sure exactly what it's for. This is going to be the light assembly, the housing to hold the light bulbs. Okay, and then it looks like it has these inserts, which somehow function somehow like that. We'll see how it works when we put it together and everything. Then you got the grill. It looks like we have 2 mirrors for either side. Obviously, they go on the opposite side. And then we have 2 doohickey things here. I have no idea what these are for. I could put them away quick if I dump them in the tray. So we're gonna need more than 1 Allen key, but this is the Allen key for the smallest ones. So if you have an Allen key set already for your TRX4M, you're good to go. So we get these back in the bag. And then the last bag that we have in the kit is gonna be these components here. Pop this open. Show you guys. It's a little, hope you guys can hear that. That's how the plastic sounds. All right, so you got like a little fake panel with the bars over it and everything. With some real good detail painting, I'm pretty sure you can make this thing look insane. Which is cool because I see a lot of people out there with some really good paint jobs and everything. So this is the headache rack, if I'm not mistaken, or the headache bar or whatever, and then this goes here clearly somehow. And then you got the 2 side pieces, and then this is the actual rear bumper. So the LED bulbs are going to fit right into the rear bumper here, and that's it. If you guys are interested in more of this particular truck, I will be doing a build video just in case if somebody wants to see me put this bad boy together and they don't want to follow the step-by-step awesome instructions that are given, or the 5-step instructions that are given. Let me know. Well, I'm just going to be pumping the video out anyway. So thank you guys for watching. Urban Crawlers, don't forget to subscribe if you want to follow through with the rest of this build. Later.